Hello everyone, we're staying at the Island House. It's a DoubleTree Hilton hotel here in Orange Beach, Alabama. We're staying at room 505. I'll give you a quick room tour. Upon entering, you will see to your immediate right the bathroom. It's one sink, but it is one large sink with a well-lit mirror. And in this bathroom, you have, of course, your toilet. And then you have a standalone shower. There is no tub. Have a nice sized closet here. A couple of hangers, luggage rack, your safe, and a full-length mirror. You do have this little nook right here, which does have a microwave and a mini fridge, which is nice. Also has a coffee maker. This is a 2-queen deluxe. So we have 2 nice sized queen beds. It's a little extended room from what I understand. You have a chair here, TV with the dresser with storage, a nice chair and desk, another mirror for you, another oversized chair with another table, and then you have your balcony. Let's see if we can get up here. And this is the view from the balcony. I don't think it gets any better than this. There's the pool. You have 2 nice chairs. Again, the room, view of the room. I think we'll enjoy staying here.